What's up, guys? Scratch out here. Gonna show you. Actually, it's part 2 of how to make a side-scrolling shooter. So exactly where we left off. But I failed my recording two times. So I realized it wasn't recording. So yeah, it's a fail. So if I need to do it for the third time, hopefully this will work. So when what we're gonna do this episode, or make it shoot. So when that is pressed, forever if sensing that one space is pressed, it will broadcast new shoot. If you don't know what broadcasting is, annotation on screen on a video or what broadcasting is, or link in the description. And then when that receives shoot, it will show itself. Control, motion, move 10 steps, control, repeat 10 times. Looks, hide, control, forever, motion, go to player. So that means when it receives shoot, it'll show itself. It will move 10 steps, keep on moving 10 steps. So that means it like move like 100 steps. Then it'll hide itself. Then it will go back to the player. So yeah, so there is. But when we shoot this enemy, he's not dying. So now we have to make it die. So when the green flag is pressed, forever if touching bullet looks hide. So that basically means if it's touching the bullet, it will hide. So it'll go away. So let's play this. Nope, he's gone. So now we need to make it a little bit harder. Let's make the enemy move. So oh yeah, so you have to make it show itself when the flag is pressed. So yeah, and when the flag is pressed, it will move. So put it where you want it to move. So I want it to move to the top and go on motion, and then if you're already on motion, click on motion again and it'll change the coordinates. Then when the flag is pressed, glide there, then go drag it wherever you want it to go next, then click on motion again. Look, it just changed. And then put that there and go control and go 1 second. And no, don't put 1 second. Go on for forever. So look, it's moving around now. So that makes it a little bit more harder. And see. So now it's only been 3 minutes, so let's give the players some help. So name this variable help. So variables are just like how can I explain it? Like a number. So no, yeah, I think that's what it is, but we find out while we do this. So when the flag is pressed, let's do this on play because it's the players. When the flag is pressed, just put it anywhere. Set health to 50. That's how much I want it. And then go and change health by -1. Just leave that there. So when the space is pressed, forever if touching doom, it will change his health by -1. So now look, we got 50 health. Look, He touches it, his health's going, and it's going. But now it's gone into minuses, so we want it to stop when his, like, it'll stop the whole game when his health reaches to 0. So yeah, when the flag is pressed, whoever if equals, you have to get the equals and put the health there. So that means if the health equals 0, it's going to do something. So if the health equals 0, it's going to stop the whole game. So look, once his health equals 0, it's going to stop everything. And see, it stopped everything now. I can't move around. So yeah, it's only still been 5 minutes. I'll do the ammo as well. So create a variable and make one and call it ammo, and get rid of the health. We don't. Oops, I need to put this on charge. So just get the charger. Sorry about that. So put on charge. Now we don't need the health because you'll know when he gets hit, because we're going to change something about the player. Oh, I don't know why that's there. So edit. I want to change the color of the player. I'll change it to yellow. That's what the color to be. And then when it gets hit, his color will change to red. Okay, that's why I changed that normal color to yellow. So, but you have to make it when the game starts. His costume has to be 1. Oh, that's what it did there. Oh, wow, that's weird. But if it's touching that, it will switch to costume 2, switch to costume 1 again. Wait 1 second. Wait 0.4 seconds. And so, if you touched him, he changed color, so they'll know when they get hit. So we don't need the health there, just move the ammo a little bit at the top. And when space is pressed, change ammo by -1. So now you have to put something else. If you put the equals, if ammo equals 0, looks say no ammo. Oh, we need to change the if, so drag the if out of there and go to controls and get if and else. It'll have if and else there. So you put the say no ammo for 2 seconds on the if at the on top of the else, and in else you have to put change ammo by change ammo by -1. So if ammo equals 0, oh, we don't need this one now, so you can put that in there. So if the ammo equals 0, say no ammo. So oh yeah, so and when this flag is pressed, change ammo by set ammo to 50. Let's just change it 10. So